So you've heard about landing pages and how they are a must-have for your digital marketing efforts. Yay! I couldn't agree more. If this is your first landing page, you may not know where to start, or you may be tempted to just pop up a regular page on your website as your landing page, or add links to your other offers or other features that take away what makes a landing page so effective. And that is its single focus. So I want to break down what a landing page is, what makes it so special, and how to go about creating a great converting landing page, because conversions are king with a landing page. So let's dive in. A landing page is a standalone web page that allows you to capture a visitor's attention and persuade them to take a desired action. This could be anything from subscribing to your newsletter, downloading a checklist, or making a purchase. A landing page is designed to convert. Landing pages are typically designed with a single conversion in mind, and this makes them different than other web pages, which may have multiple goals or purposes. The key to designing an effective landing page is to keep things focused and simple. Too much information can overwhelm visitors and cause them to abandon the page altogether. How effective are landing pages? Landing pages are very effective. In fact, a well-designed landing page can be the key to a successful online marketing campaign. Research shows that businesses with 10 to 15 landing pages tend to increase their conversions by 55% compared with those with fewer than 10 landing pages. And businesses with more than 40 landing pages increase conversions by 500%. Crazy! Ollie Gardner, conversion rate optimization expert and co-founder of Unbounce, argues that each of your marketing campaigns should have its own landing page. Why? Creating a dedicated landing page for each campaign lets you message match, where you can send visitors to a landing page that has the same message as the campaign that made them click. And this means more conversions and happier customers. But we need to remember that a landing page is very different than your website. What's the difference between a landing page and a website? We've touched on this a bit, but let's dive into the differences a little bit further. A website is like an online office or a storefront. It's a way for you to show the world what you're all about, what you do, and most importantly, how to contact you. A landing page, on the other hand, is more like a sales pitch. It's a focused way to present a very specific offer, product, or service. The goal of a landing page is to get people to take a single action, whether that's signing up for a newsletter, making a purchase, entering a contest, or submitting their contact information. And what you'll notice is that most landing pages have no navigation, no footer, and no links to outside web pages. Everything is focused on that one goal. And that's because landing pages are designed to convert visitors into leads or customers and nothing else. If you're looking to make a sale or capture leads, you'll want to create a landing page. If you want to show off what you do, stick with your website. Do you need a landing page if you have a website? If you've ever wondered whether you need a landing page, ask yourself this question: do I want more website visitors to take a specific action? If the answer is yes, then the answer is also probably yes to creating a landing page. A well-designed landing page can be very effective in driving conversions, whether your goal is to get people to sign up for your email list, download a free guide, or make a purchase. Since a landing page is a standalone web page that is designed with a single conversion goal in mind, it is great for conversions. Is a landing page the same as a home page? Unlike your home page, which is typically designed to give visitors an overview of your company, what you do, a landing page is focused on a single offer. It has one call to action, and this makes it an ideal tool for converting website visitors into leads or customers. So if you're looking to increase conversions, creating a landing page is definitely worth considering. Landing pages and your sales funnel. If you're running marketing campaigns, you may be familiar with a sales funnel. The top of the funnel is where you generate awareness and interest in your product or service. The middle of the funnel is where you nurture leads and build up excitement. And the bottom of the funnel is where you close deals and make sales. One of the most important components of a sales funnel is the landing page. A landing page is the first page that a potential customer sees when they click on an ad or an email link. That is the page that makes the all-important first impression, so it's crucial that it be well-designed and highly effective. It's also the page that potential customers are sent to purchase. That's right, your sales page is a landing page too. If you're running marketing campaigns, then you need to have well-designed landing pages as part of your marketing funnel. Without them, you are missing out on an opportunity to turn prospective customers into buyers. The types of landing pages. Though all landing pages are similar, each have different functions in your sales funnel and your marketing campaigns, such as lead generation, sales conversion, and moving customers through the customer journey. Lead generation landing pages. The primary purpose of a lead generation landing page is to capture content information from potential customers so that you can follow up with them and turn them into buyers. To do this, you need to have a lead capture form on your landing page where visitors can enter their information. This information can include their name, their email address, their phone number, and really any other relevant information that you'd like to collect. In exchange for their contact information, you might offer a free ebook, a checklist, or even a coupon. Whatever you offer, it should be something that your target audience will find valuable. Lead generation landing page examples. An accountant landing page offering a free consultation, a consultant landing page offering a free strategy call, or a gym landing page offering a free pass, a roofer landing page offering a free quote. As you can see, a landing page can work for any business. It's important to note that lead generation landing pages are not sales pages. They are designed to generate leads, not to make sales. Sales conversion landing pages. The primary purpose of a sales conversion page is to make a sale. To do this, you need to have a well-designed page with strong copy that convinces visitors to buy your product or your service. You also need to have a compelling offer and an easy-to-use payment system. It's important to note that a sales conversion landing page is not a lead generation page. It's designed to make sales, not to generate leads. Customer journey landing pages. Primary purpose of customer journey landing pages are to move customers through the customer journey from awareness to purchase. It's important to note that a buyer's journey landing page is not a lead generation page or a sales conversion page. It is only designed to move visitors through the customer journey. The anatomy of a landing page. Now that you know the different types of landing pages, let's take a look at what goes into creating landing pages that are effective and convert. Copy. The first and most important element of a landing page is the copy. The copy is the text that is on the page that convinces visitors to take an action. It should be well written, persuasive, and relevant to your target audience. It should also be clear and concise. Headline, subheadings, and body copy. The headline is the most important part of the copy. It should be attention-grabbing and make a promise that your product or service can deliver. The subheadings should be clear and concise, and they should provide more information about the headline. The body copy should be well written and persuasive. It should provide more information about your product or services and why it's the best solution for your target audience's needs. Call to action. The call to action is the final part of the body copy. It should also be clear and concise, and it should tell the visitors what you want them to do, such as buy now or sign up. Images. The second element of landing pages are the images. Images are important because they help break up the text and make the page more visually appealing. They can also help convey a message or provide information about your product or service. Choose images that are relevant to your product or service that will appeal to your target audience. Design. The third element of a landing page is design. The design should be simple and clean, and it should focus on the copy and the images. The headline and the call to action should all be prominently featured, and the page should be easy to navigate. Here are a few elements in landing page best practices to create a high converting landing page. First and foremost, you need a strong headline that'll grab the attention of your target audience and persuade visitors to stick around. When designing a landing page, you should also consider your hero image, or the image that is above the fold before you need to scroll, that gives the visitor a quick overview of what your page is all about. You'll also want to include powerful images and persuasive copy to drive home your message. In addition, your landing page should have a clear call to action so that visitors know what they should do next. Finally, don't forget to include social proof in the form of a testimonial or customer reviews in your landing page content. These elements will help build trust and give visitors the confidence they need to convert. Let's also talk about what not to include in your landing page. A landing page is like a first date. You want to make a good impression, but you don't want to give away too much too soon. Just like you wouldn't want to show up on a first date wearing an old, ratty college sweatshirt, you don't want your landing page to be cluttered, confusing, or off-putting. So what should you leave off of your landing page? Here are a few things to avoid. Too much text. A landing page should be short and sweet, with just enough information to pique the reader's interest. Remember, you are trying to entice the visitor to take action, not give them a novel's worth of material to read. Stock photos. Would you use a stock photo on a first date? Of course not. Your landing page should be filled with original, high-quality images that reflect your brand. Distractions. Just like on a first date, you want the focus to be on you and your date. That means keeping sidebars, pop-ups, and other distractions to a minimum. After all, you don't want anything taking away from your message. And no links to other web pages. You want to force them to make a decision or leave the page, not get distracted and click to other pages. How to create your own landing page. Want to create your own landing pages but aren't sure where to start? Well, you are in luck. With the right tools, it's actually quite easy to put together a professional looking landing page in no time. There are a number of landing page templates and builders available online that can help you get started. Some of these landing page builder options are Lead Pages, Kartra, Unbounce, Landing. Simply choose a landing page builder and then the template that best suits your needs. Add your content and voila! You've got yourself a landing page without needing any design or coding skills. Of course, if you want to get really creative, you can always build your own landing page from scratch. But why bother when there are so many great landing page templates out there that do the heavy lifting for you? So go ahead and give it a try. You might be surprised at how easy it is to create a landing page that looks professional and packs a punch. Creating landing pages is an important step in the launch of any marketing strategy. By following these tips, you can create a landing page that is designed to convert visitors into customers. The landing page, your ticket to digital marketing success. So there you have it. A landing page is your key to digital marketing success and should not be ignored. It is important to remember that the focus of a landing page is conversions, and keeping it simple will help you reach those conversions. If you have any questions about creating or optimizing your landing page, please let me know in the comments below and I will do my best to answer them. And remember, you don't need crazy tech skills, buckets of cash, or a dedicated staff to market your business. In fact, you don't even need a lot of time. What you need is to be smart, and landing pages are definitely smart for your business.